I am afraid to return to my home country, but did not apply for asylum within 1 year of entering the United States. Can I still apply? This video is part of a series designed to help people in North and South Carolina who have a fear of returning to their country. If you are afraid of being sent back to your country, you may be able to apply for asylum. Asylum is a form of legal protection that would allow you to stay in the United States. You may be eligible for asylum if you fear returning to your country because you believe you will be harmed there because of your race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or a characteristic like your family, gender, sexual orientation, or similar reason. U.S. law requires asylum seekers to submit their application within 1 year of entering the United States. But there is a court case that protects many people who were not told by the U.S. government about this deadline and did not submit their asylum application within 1 year of entry. This court case is called Mendez Rojas. This video is designed to help you see if you qualify for an extension of the deadline for your asylum application under the Mendez Rojas case. This is really important because you may still be able to apply for protection in the United States even if you missed or are about to miss the 1 year deadline. Mendez Rojas is complex, and you should speak to an attorney if you can. But because not everyone has an attorney, these videos are designed to help you with the process. This video is produced by the Duke Law Immigrant Rights Clinic. It is not intended to be legal advice. We recommend that you contact an immigration attorney to get legal advice in your specific case. Please keep watching if you are afraid to return to your home country and either 1. You filed your asylum application more than 1 year after entering the United States, or 2. You have not yet filed it and it has been over a year since you entered the United States. To see if you might be eligible for protection under the Mendez Rojas case, 3 things need to be true. We will walk through these 3 things now. In a later video, after you have answered some basic questions, we will tell you where to send your application depending on the status of your immigration case. First, you need to have been encountered, detained by, or taken into custody, even for a short amount of time, by an immigration official when you entered the United States or within 14 days after entering the United States. Second, you must have told a United States immigration official that you were afraid to return to your home country. Third, no one from the U.S. government told you about the 1 year asylum application deadline. If someone from the U.S. government personally notified you about the 1 year asylum filing deadline, then you were likely not eligible for the Mendez Rojas settlement. But it's okay if someone who does not work for the government, like a friend, family member, or nonprofit worker, mentioned the 1 year deadline to you. Again, these are the 3 requirements for a later application deadline under the Mendez Rojas case for people who either did not file their asylum application within 1 year or who filed late. First, you encountered an immigration official when you entered the United States or within 14 days of entering the United States. Second, you have a fear of returning to your country, which you told someone in the United States government about. Third, you were not told by someone in the United States government about the 1 year asylum application deadline. If all of these things apply to you, then you are still likely eligible to seek asylum under the Mendez Rojas case. But you must take action to let the government know that you are protected by Mendez Rojas by April 22, 2022. To get more information on how to let the government know that you are eligible for Mendez Rojas, please look at the options below and select the one that most reflects the status of your immigration case. After answering a few more questions, there will be another video that tells you what you need to send in and gives you a link to the forms that you can download to complete the process.